Today we are going to find our shade match in Get Ready With Me's new daily skin tint. This will be available in 3 sizes, one in full size, and if you're not yet ready to commit to the fuller size, you can try the mini, or if you're still trying to find your right shade, then you can get their shade finder as well. So you can just try out different shades on different days, wear test it if you can, and you can get this for 99 pesos, this one for 249, and this one, the full size, for 599 pesos. And this is supposed to be long wearing with a demi matte finish and also lightweight on the skin. They also created this matrix already, and it's also already posted on their Instagram page. Based on this shade matrix, since I am neutral to warm undertone and I am in medium tan, the shade that would most likely work for me would be in almond or hanabi or macadamia. So let's see kung alin dun sa tatlo na yon yung mas mag-fit on me kapag sinwatch natin lahat. And I actually have all the medium tan shades. So notice on their shade matrix, when it comes to the medium tan category, siya lang yung may 5 na undertone din. They made the medium tan shades available in cool undertone, neutral warm undertone, and also in the olive undertone. I'm also doing this in natural lighting lang, so you can see din kung how it looks like on natural lighting. This is in the shade Sienna. This is the shade Almond in neutral undertone. This is the shade Hanabi in neutral warm undertone. This is the shade Macadamia in warm undertone. And last, this is the shade Hazel in olive undertone. So right off the bat, you can see na may greenish tint talaga yung olive undertone nila. It really looks super close together. But I feel like either of these two would work for me. Let me know in the comments kung ano sa tingin niyo yung pinaka mas nag-fit sa akin. Ang itatry ko muna ngayon is this macadamia shade, which is this one in warm undertone.